Hello, mathematicians, and welcome to another lesson in the series of integers. Today, we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction of two integers, but this time with merging signs. Now, please remember to check out our other videos that we would have posted on adding and subtracting integers. This time around, we're going to be looking at merging signs. So let's jump right into it and take a look at example 1. Now, example 1 says positive 5 minus, and in brackets we have negative 3. So unlike in the first set of examples in the first videos, where we had just one simple sign and all we needed to do was to represent each number using the appropriate counters. Now, there's a little step we need to go as it relates to a question such as this one, and I want to take your attention to this table here. Now, if you look, the first two rows that we have here, these would represent all those questions that have the same sign. So when you have the same sign, be it two positives, where you have one positive sign on the outside and one on the inside a bracket, it means that we're grouping the two same signs and the result is going to be positive. All right, and that's in terms of setting up the question. So when the signs are the same, your result will be positive. Notice we have two negative signs here. Two negative signs will give us a positive result. Quite the contrary, when the signs are different, so whether you have a positive on the outside and a negative inside the bracket, your result will be negative. When you have a negative on the outside, positive inside the bracket, because it's still two different signs, your result will be negative as well. So let's go again. When the signs are the same, be it two positive or two negative, your result will be positive. When the signs are different, be it positive and negative or negative positive, your result will be negative. So same signs, positive result, different signs, negative result. All right, so let's put that into perspective as it relates to this question. So we have positive 5 minus negative 3. Now remember we say when the signs are the same, basically what we did here was just to remove the bracket so that we can see clearly, and we notice we have two same signs here. So what does this mean, guys? When the signs are the same, our result will be positive. So all we need to do is now change these two negative signs into a positive sign. And let me go ahead and rewrite that question. So it's now going to be positive 5 plus positive 3. All right, then let me just write that down. So this is now the new question that we're working with as example 1. So let's go again. We have positive 5 minus negative 3. We basically remove the bracket so we could realize that we have two same signs side by side. When the signs are the same, we're going to change it into a positive sign. So two same signs, result is positive. So now that we have positive 5 plus 3, we can go ahead and solve that. Right off the bat, you guys would have known that your answer is going to be a positive 8, but let's go ahead and represent it using our counters as we would have done in the previous video. So we have positive 5, that means we need 5 green counters. So that's 2, 3, 4, 4, and one more, 5. Nice. And we also need 3 more positive counters. So that's going to be 3 more green. That's 1, 2, and the third one, 3. Nice. Now we notice that we have all the same colors, so we cannot create 0 pairs here because they're all the same colors. So that means we just need to group them as one big happy family. So if I have 5 green counters here and another 5 green counters, that means my total green counters are going to be, yep, you got it right, a positive 8. All right, so that is your answer right here. So you can, so 5 plus 3 give us 8, or in other words, 5 minus negative 3 equals to a positive 8. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. Please stand by for the second video in this series.